Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're comparing three powerful AI text to video platforms that promise to revolutionize your workflow: AutoAE, Motionvid, and Hera.video. We'll break down their features, pricing, and help you decide which one is the right fit for you. Let's start with AutoAE. AutoAE is a super fast tool designed to help you create trendy social media videos for platforms like TikTok and Instagram in just minutes. It's perfect for creators who need to produce high quality, eye catching content without a complicated editing process. When it comes to features, you get access to a massive library of stylish, ready to use template built for short form video. The AI intelligently animates your text, and you can easily customize colors, fonts, and music to keep everything on brand. It's all about speed and simplicity. AutoAE offers a number of plans. They offer a free plan which comes with 5 downloads, 720p HD resolution, access to free video hooks, AutoAE watermarks, non-commercial use only, and customer support within 72 hours. The starter plan is for $8.25 per month, and it comes with 50 downloads per month, 1080p FHD resolution, access to all video hooks, no watermarks, commercial license, customer support within 48 hours. They also offer creator plan that's gonna cost you $20.75 per month. And with this one, you will get 100 downloads per month, 1080p FHD resolution, access to all video hooks, no watermarks, commercial license, and customer support within 48 hours. Now, if you are looking for something that is bigger, they offer agency plan for $49.92. Now, this comes with 300 downloads per month, priority lane, 1080p FHD resolution, access to all video hooks, no watermark, a commercial license, customer support within 24 hours. Now, if you need something that is even bigger, they also offer scale plan that comes in at $166.58 per month. Now, with this one, it goes with 1,500 downloads per month, priority lane, dedicated servers, 1080p FHD resolution, access to all video hooks, no watermark, commercial license, and customer support within 24 hours. Now, if you are looking for something that is even bigger, then you might want to consider the enterprise plan. Now, the price for this one is custom and it depends on your needs. And they also offer one-time purchase. Pay once to get a video, no recurring charges at $2.9 per video. Next up is Motionvid, which is more of an all-in-one video powerhouse. It's not just a text-to-video tool, it's a complete suite for creators who want more control and wider range of powerful options to work with. Its top features gives you a complete creative workspace, including a full-featured video editor, a huge library of stock media, and an AI script writer to help you beat writer's block. You also get advanced tools like automatic subtitles and AI voiceovers, all with 4K export capability. Motionvid offers 3 plans. The basic plan is $29 per month, and it comes with 100 generations per month, 50 video exports per month, 1080p exports, Discord support, and all templates included. This is perfect for individuals and small projects. They also offer a Pro plan at $59 a month, and this plan comes with 300 generations per month, 150 video exports per month, up to 4K resolution exports, priority support, and all templates included. Now, they also offer an enterprise plan at $199 a month. This one comes with unlimited generations, unlimited video exports, up to 8K resolution exports, priority support, all templates included, premium editing capabilities, and custom API integration. You can also get a 10% discount when you use our special coupon code VED10 at checkout. Last is Hera.video, a specialized tool for businesses and marketers who want to connect with their audience on a deeper level. Its superpower is creating personalized, data driven videos at scale, making each viewer feel like the content was made just for them. Its standout feature is the ability to generate unique videos by connecting to your data sources, perfect for large scale marketing campaigns, personalized emails, and unique social content. You can also integrate it directly into your workflow using its API for full automation. Now, when it comes to pricing, plan starts at $49 a month for the creator tier. So, what's the final word? Grab AutoAE for lightning fast social media videos. Choose Motionvid for its all-in-one creative suite, or use Hera.video for powerful, personalized marketing. Whatever your purpose is, the right tool is just waiting for you. So that's it for this comparison, guys. Please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated. Thank you and see you next time.